In this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up with the SubDog Chrome extension. The good news is this is going to be a very short video because it just takes a couple clicks. If you're not familiar with SubDog, it's a subscription management tool that helps companies better understand all of their subscriptions, what they're spending on them, who's using them or not using them, so they can get better value out of the money they've invested in their software stack, and so that employees can be better supported with the resources that they need to do their jobs better. So to install the extension, head on over to the Chrome Web Store like you would for any other extension and search for SubDog. The extension is called SubDog Signal. We'll click on that and then click Add to Chrome, or in my case, I'm using the Brave browser, so Add to Brave. Once you allow permissions, the extension will download, which should just take a couple seconds, and then you'll get confirmation up here in your browser navigation bar. I'm going to click the SubDog Chrome extension icon, which is this purple dog, and I'm already logged in. I'll log out just so you can see what you'll see. And you should be prompted with this Continue with Google button, where you'll need to log in with your work email via Google sign-in. Once you do this, you'll get prompted to share your activity with your organization. My organization is called SubDog, so that's why it says here. You should see your company name here. And if you do, click Yes, I agree to share your activity, and you're good to go. You can close this browser tab and never think about it again. If you want to think about it again and see what type of data is being shared and not shared with your organization, head right back to the extension, open it up, open the sidebar menu here, and click My Activity. And what you see here is everything that the extension tracks and shares and shares with your organization. And that information is limited to an app that you've used, which is from our vetted list of about 20,000 software applications, and the last time you visited that app. That's it. There's no other content or anything that is shared with your organization. If you ever want to stop sharing, simply go back to the extension and go to the sidebar menu and log out, and sharing will be disabled. That's it. Thanks for watching.